Hello, my dear students. I am Mukesh Kumar Ojha. I am faculty of chemistry teaching in this session Mary Academy. I am taking your class 10 and also for 9. Chapter 2 Chemical Bonding. First of all, question arises: what is chemical bond? What is chemical? Chemical bond. A chemical bond may be defined as the force of attraction between any two atoms in a molecule to maintain stability. That is called chemical bond. Second question again arises: what is stability? Stability means having the electron arrangement of an inert gas, that is octet in its outermost shell or duplet in outermost shell. For example, helium has 2 electrons, complete duplet, and while other inert gas, for example neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon, have 8 electron, that is called octet, in their outermost shell. As for example, next topic: 3 method to achieve a stable configuration. Stable configuration, that means nearest or attain duplet or octet rule. First, transfer of electron, bond formation by transfer of an electron. The transfer of one or more electrons from one atom to the other to form an electrovalent or ionic bond. For example, sodium chloride, sodium NaCl, Na plus and Cl minus, and transferring of one electron from sodium to chlorine, then form sodium chloride. Second, sharing of electron. Sharing of 1, 2 or 3 pairs of electron between two atoms to form a covalent bond or molecular bond. For example, H2O. Third, the shared electron pairs are contributed by only one of the combining atoms. The bond forms is known as coordinate bond or dative bond. According to above conclusion, that means 3 types of bond creation. First, electrovalent bond or ionic bond. Second, covalent bond or molecular bond. And third, coordinate bond or dative bonds. For first, electrovalent or ionic bond. The cations and the anion, being oppositely charged, attract each other and form a chemical bond. The chemical compound formed as a result of the transfer of electron from one atom of an element to one atom to another elements are called ionic or electrovalent bond. Transfer of one or more than one electron for one element to another atom, element, that is called electrovalent bond. Again, one question is, what is electrovalency? Number of electron loses or gain to form a electrovalent bond is called its electrovalency. For example, NaCl, sodium lose one electron, that its electrovalency is 1, and chlorine gain one electron, then electrovalent bond form. Next, condition for the formation of electrovalent bond or ionic bond. What is the condition for formation of electrovalent bond? First, low ionization potential. If low ionization, IP for ionization potential, low ionization potential, then it will be lose electron easily and form cations. Second, high electron affinity. Higher electron affinity value favors ionic bonding. If electron affinity value is high, anions will be formed easily. Third, large electronegativity difference. More the difference in electronegativity, more will be the ionic nature or the resulting compound. Bonds formed between metal and non-metal are ionic or electrovalent. Always metal and non-metal form electrovalent bond because metal lose electron and non-metal gaining. Metal has capacity to lose electron and non-metal has capacity to gain electron to form electrovalent bond. Next question arises, why are ionic compound stable? Why are ionic compound stable? Electrostatic force of attraction between opposite charge is much higher, it makes the ionic compound stable. For example, NaCl, Na for plus charge and Cl for minus charge, and opposite charge, more electrostatic force between opposite charges. Structure of some electrovalent compounds. How can we form any structure or electron dot structure of electrovalent bond? For one example, NaCl, sodium chloride. Configuration, electronic configuration of sodium 2, 8 and 1, and chlorine 2, 8 and 7. Sodium has 3 orbit, 1, 2, 3, and chlorine has also 3 orbit, 1, 2 and 3. First shell 2 electron, 1, 2, second shell 8 electron, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and third orbit has 1 electron and 1. And next chlorine, first orbit 2, 1, 2, second 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and last and outermost shell or outermost orbit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Sodium 1 electron transfer to chlorine and create positive ion Na plus. Na plus. And chlorine gain one electron, then create Cl minus, and lose one electron, then only two shell, 2 and 8 Na plus and 2 8 8, and sodium also stable and NaCl. Chlorine also stable and Cl minus, NaCl. Electron does Na plus outermost have 1 electron and chlorine outermost have 7 electron, and need 1 electron to for stability. Sodium transfer 1 electron to chlorine, then Na plus and Cl minus or NaCl form CaO, calcium. Next compound, calcium oxide. Calcium has outermost have 2 electron and oxygen outermost have 6 electron, and oxygen needs 2 electron to complete octet. Then calcium transfer 2 electron to oxygen, then Ca2 plus and O2 minus, then CO2, because number of charges equal and equal charge repel each other. Equal charge repel equal both, because both 2 plus and 2 minus equal charge, and equal charge cancelled, hence CaO form. Next, same as many more example just for magnesium chloride, MgCl2, as for many more others. Next topic, redox reaction. What is redox reaction? The electropositive atom undergoes oxidation, other words loss of electron, while the electronegative atom undergoes reduction, other words gain of electron. For loss of electron, that is called oxidation, and gain of electron, that is called reduction. And oxidation and reduction simultaneously take place, that is called redox reaction. Redox, RED, red for reduction, OX for oxidation. And other words, loss of hydrogen and gain of oxygen is called oxidation, and loss of oxygen and gain of hydrogen, that is called reduction. And oxidation reduction take simultaneously, that's called redox reaction. For example, 2Na plus Cl2 NaCl form, 2Na form 2Na, 2Na plus 2 oxidation, loss of electron, 2 electron loss, then form positive ion, and gain of electron reduction, Cl2 minus, then 2 electron gain, and hence 2 electron cancel, and again 2 Na plus and Cl2 minus, 2 Na plus and 2 Cl minus. And because 2 Na plus 2 charge of positive, that is called cation, and 2 charge of negative, that is called anion, number of charge equal, then cancel, hence form NaCl. For example, next, for example, an all process called redox reaction, because Na to Na plus oxidation, and Cl2 to 2Cl minus reduction, loss of electron and gain of electron. For other example, Fe2O3, Fe2O3. plus Al, then Ap plus Al 2O3 and loss reduction and oxidation and oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent and reducing agent. In this reaction, aluminum acting as reducing agent because aluminum gains oxygen, then gain of oxygen, oxidation, and a loss of oxygen, reduction take place because aluminum, hence aluminum is reducing agent, and oxidation take place because ferrous, then ferrous is oxidizing agent. So oxidation and reduction take place simultaneously, hence all process is called redox reaction. So I hope all student clears all topic, and next videos we define the next bond for the rest two types of bond, covalent bond and dative bond. Okay, that's all. Thank you.